the braids are just like coming off. There's a lot of flyaways. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Peace here. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. I hope that you're settling into the COVID situation. You're pursuing your dreams. You're looking for that job. You're looking for that promotion. You're starting that business. Nothing should stop us, not even a pandemic. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be telling you some of the things you need to know before you install Havana twist. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight onto the video. One is the price of this hair. Now this hair goes for 460 shillings per pack. It also depends on where you get it. If you get it at Best Lady, which is like uptown, it's usually like pricier, which makes a lot of like 0 cents to me. But if you get it from Ronald Ngala, the big one, it's usually like cheaper. So it's like 15 to 20 bob cheaper than these other Best Ladies. Okay, so 464 one pack, and I used 3.5. You can do your mathematics there. Okay, you can do your mathematics there. The other point is how does the hair wear out? Like, so this is now the cone for this hair. It looks really beautiful when you first install it, but there's a day I forgot and I didn't sleep with a scarf, and I met myself with this situation. Let me show you properly. Can you see, like, the braids are just like coming off. There's a lot of flyaways. Yeah, so this one is just pull them and you see you're left with hair. That is a very big con for me because the hair looks frizzy, and saizi it looks like I've worn it for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, which is not the case. This hair is relatively new, you know. So I hope Darling could improve on the quality of the hair they used to braid it, because that is the issue right here. Because it's loose, it's a loose twist, that's why you face this challenge. Yeah, and I'm talking about the Kenyan situation. I do not know how this braid is elsewhere. Yeah, but I also watched Kitana, if you know her, and she said that the hair also freezes. Yeah, so there's some similarities. Another thing there about this hair is the weight. How heavy is this hair? When coming to me like at work and they touch the hand, they're like, it's not heavy. I'm like, no, it's not heavy. If it was heavy, it wouldn't be on my head. I don't like heavy stuff. Plus I would be like going like this because it would be pulling my head back. Yeah, so it's absolutely not heavy. It's very comfortable on the head. That is like so perfect, so perfect. I love that about this hair. The other thing that I would let you know, the length. So they do not have, I don't think they have a long one. This is how the hair comes looking like. This is the length of the hair, and this is like what, below the boob, below the boob, almost to waist length. Yeah, so that's the length of this hair. Now something else is how you can rock this hair. Apart from rocking it like this, unaweza bomoa, you can unravel to have something wavy like that. I can't wait to do that actually. And then you can also advance this to this. See, so it's just like unraveling it like that, and then you're left with something looking like this. Now the only challenge I'm seeing with having this hair looking like that is the tangles. Imagine if it's tangling when it's in like twist. Imagine when it's like this. You're not even going to last with it for like a week. It's going to be such a difficult time for you to detangle this hair. Don't even do it to yourself. Do not do it to yourself, you guys. Yeah, so it's really tangles. That is one thing I've noticed. So the quality of it is not good, and when you consider the price for 460 shillings, most crochet braids that I usually rock are between 460 to 500 shillings. So for the price range, I feel like they could have improved the quality kidogo, because 400 for a pack, hizo ni braids ngapi? Those are like 5-6 braids. Yo, come on darling. So that's how. Now the colors of the hair. Now this hair comes in different colors. This is 133, then there's also like the black one nakwanga number 1, then there's number 1, alafu kuna maroon. There's also maroon. I do not know the number of the maroon, but yeah, I'm not sure about other colors, but those are the ones that I'm aware of. Okay. So I think that is it for this video. I don't think there's anything I've not mentioned. All in all, this hair looks so pretty, it looks so nice, it looks so cute. So yeah, that's also a plus, right? Apart from it being so frizzy. Anyway, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Kwa hiyo button ya bread hapo imeandikwa subscribe, click on that button and subscribe right now. Leave me a comment and tell me what you thought about this video. Have you rocked this hair? Do you want to rock it? Tell me in the comment section. And I will see you on the next video. Until next time, choose kindness and of course remember to be safe. Bye.